What's up, everybody? This is your buddy Pal London Hawthorne, and I am here with another unboxing. Today, this shipped from Buffalo, New York, all the way to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. As always, thanks for watching my videos. I'm opening up my knife so I can open this package. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other ones. This is just going to be a very simple, I think, a gift card unboxing. I'm just guessing. I order a lot of gift cards off sites like eBay. And try and get a good deal. Make sure I don't throw anything away. So this is an AMC gift card. I don't know the exact value. There's a piece of paper in here, so maybe, well, now I got some free scrap paper. Yeah. So I honestly don't know the value offhand because they didn't write it on the card. And there's no printout, so this is a mystery one. But more than likely, what it was something like a $50 gift card that I got for like 30 or 35. Anytime I can save value at a movie theater, it's extra money for me, and it's less of a expenditure. It's like, oh wow, the movie theater is so expensive, but it's not as expensive if I can get a gift card at a reduced rate. So that's what I do all the time. I go to the movies now that they're open. Knock on wood. 2 to 4 times a week. I love movies. I love going to the theater. I need to start doing reviews again. I just have been, But check out some of my movie reviews. Type in movie review and you're going to see thousands of reviews. Thanks a lot for watching. Leave a comment. Let me know some of the movies you like watching and how's your experience been back at the movie theater since all this crap happened. Please subscribe. Please share. If you want to cash at me at London Hawthorne, help me pay for movies, leave a comment. Let me know. You can also go to riptapparel.com. That's riptapparel.com or onceupontea.net. Use my username as your coupon code London Hawthorne. You'll save a couple bucks off each and every order. Have a great day.